Hello and welcome back to Learn with ABmom. In this video, we are going to have a quiz of our previous lessons. We are going to have a checkup for this, that, these, those, possessive adjective, and possessive pronoun. So, are you ready? Here are some few questions. I want you to focus on this and that, these, and those. The first one says, dash is a dog. Let us look here that we have a dog, one dog, and we have to think if the dog is far or near to us. Is it one or more than one dog? So we can say that it is one dog and it is near. So the answer will be this is a dog. Now the next sentence. There are balloons and the sentence says dash are balloons. So from this sentence we can understand that there are many balloons, more than one. We also can see that the balloons are far. So what we have to write? Yes, those are balloons. Those are balloons. Let us move to the third one. Now when we ask a question, are these pens? We have more than one. These pens. With an S, we understand that it's a plural. I can put two answers here. I can say, no, these aren't. Or I can say, because they are more than one, I can say, no, they aren't. So both are correct. No, these aren't. No, they aren't. The next one, these dash eyes. We need a be verb. Okay. Now eyes are more than one. It's a plural. So we have to write these are eyes. The last one is a nose. One nose. And we can touch our nose because it is very near to us. So the answer will be this is a nose. Let us move to the next part. On this quiz, I want you to focus on possessive adjective and possessive pronouns. Let us look here. First one says, these are my pen. Okay, let us look here. We have these are. These are shows it's more than one. And pen, it shows a single. So we have to make the noun plural. So by adding S, it will be pens. These are my pens. Next, we look at this two sentence. Those aren't her children. We can also say those aren't. What do we put here? Just think. Her children because it followed by a noun. And here there is no noun. So we are going to use the possessive pronoun. Those aren't hers. The next one. Is it yours? Yes, it is. There is no noun here. So we have to use possessive pronoun. Yes, it is mine. Yes, it is mine. Let us have a look at the last two one. These his shoes. In this sentence, in this it is a question. It's not a sentence. So we need a be verb. So let us look at the sentence once again. Here we have these and we have shoes. That shows it's a plural verb. So we are going to use are these his shoes. And the answer will be no, they aren't. Means they are not. Let us move to the next part. Look here. Here are a sentence which are all wrong and you have to find out the mistake and then we all are going to correct the mistakes together. The first one says that are chairs. We know that is wrong because that it is used for singular noun, one. And here we are having chairs. It is more than one. So what we have to do, we have to change that and we have to put these because that is used for a singular noun. So the answer will be these are chairs. Next, this book is my. My is a possessive adjective. That means you have to have a noun after it. But in this sentence, there is no noun. So this book is, we have to change my and make it a possessive pronoun. This book is mine. Next, that is he house. In this sentence, we want to show that this house belonged to this man or boy. So this is he house is wrong. We have to replace it with the possession. So it will be this is his house because we have a noun here. House is a noun. So we have to use possessive adjective. This is his house. Similarly, for the next one, she name is Jenny. We want to show that Jenny belongs to this girl's name. So we have to change she and put her name is Jenny. The last one is it's ours house. This is also similar to the previous one. Now look here again. If we don't have this noun house, then we can say it is ours. But because we have a noun after the possessive adjective, so we will change it into possessive pronoun. So it will be it's our house. Or you can say it's ours without the noun. I hope this lesson was quite easy. So you can make your own quiz, answer them, and if you have any problem or any difficulty, please write down in the comment. I'm ready to help anytime. Thanks for watching. If you like it, share it. Love and peace to all.